So Durga Puja is the major festival of West Bengal. The goddess Durga was sent to slay demon Mahishasur. She started the war on 7th day. So ninth day we celebrated as the victory of good over evil. So this festival generally starts on the first day. It is called Mahalaya in Bengal. So what we do, we invite goddess Durga to come to our place or come to our home. So on first day is called Mahalaya. When we invite her, we do chanting, we do lot of puja, and there is a goddess, the idol of the goddess Durga. We form the eyes of goddess Durga in that idol, and we invite her. Then we keep fast and everything, and then from sixth day in Bengal, it is majorly for the sixth day is called Shashti, Saptami, Ashtami, Navami, and Dashami. So last 4 5 days we celebrate, and they keep a fast, and after that it's a feast. They eat lot and lot of sweet dishes on different kind of food in this festival, fish or rasgulla or mishti doi or Bengali sweets. So in the night there are different dhaks. Have you seen a dhol, a small dhol or dholak? And dhak is a big dhol where you play music and you perform dhunuchi. So dhunuchi is a dance in which you, it's a kind of prayer, and it's a earthen pot. So it's a kind of a pot which is made up of mud. It's a earthen pot. And then we put coconut husk in that. The coconut? So coconut husk in that, and then they put some incense powder to purify the atmosphere, and they burn it. And there's the live music of dhak, and then you perform dhunuchi dance. So I'll show you how the dhunuchi looks like. So these are the dhunuchis. I've decorated it to give you a feel of that after the fire how it looks like. So when they put fire in that, it something looks like this. With the fire. So this is an earthen pot which you keep it, you take it in hand, and how you do aarti at home in the same way they do dhunuchi. So you want to see dhunuchi dance?
Yes.
And if you want, you can do it at your place also. You can use a glass or a bowl, and we all can do it together.